So there are two broad integration strategies that we look at. We look at vertical integration and we look at horizontal integration, right? And I'll give you two simple examples that will basically give the foundation of what vertical integration and horizontal integration is. Let's first look at horizontal integration, which is the more simpler one. When you integrate horizontally, you are literally buying companies that do the exact same thing that you do so that your company or your organization can get bigger. So that's horizontal integration. If I think about St. Cyprian's, if we had to buy Herschel or buy Rustenburg Girls, right, we'd be integrating horizontally. If I think about a retail store like Pick and Pay, if they're to buy Spa or they're to buy Checkers, that would be horizontal integration. You're basically just expanding your business by buying another business that's in the exact same sector as you, that possibly does the exact same thing as you, right? So that's a simple one, horizontal integration. Vertical integration can be looked at in two ways. You've got forward vertical integration and backward vertical integration. Let's look at backward vertical integration first. Again, let's say you own your own bakery and you bake these amazing peanut butter goodies, right? Peanut butter scones, peanut butter brownies, peanut butter everything, right? If you had to integrate vertically backwards, that means you'll be buying the supplier that supplies you with the peanut butter or supplies you with the flour. So you're a bakery, your main job is to bake peanut butter goods and services, right? But vertical backward integration is you buying your suppliers that supply you with your raw materials. So what would forward integration be if you were a bakery, right? Forward integration, instead of you now supplying these baked peanut butter goods to the industry, such as coffee shops, you could now buy your own coffee shop. So what have you done with the supply chain? You basically minimize the supply chain so that you can control it, so that you can control the pricing. You now control your raw materials because you own the companies that supply you with the raw materials, and you control the company that's in the tertiary sector that provides the goods and services to customers or consumers, right? You were technically in the secondary sector where you're transforming these raw materials, flour, peanut butter, into these peanut butter goodies, right? So let me just recap. Integration, look at it in two ways. Horizontal integration, buying companies that do similar things to you or the same as you and just making your company bigger. Vertical integration, there's backwards vertical integration where you're buying your suppliers. There's forward vertical integration where you're buying, let's say, your retailers that you would normally supply these goods and services to. And think about the advantages of all of that. Think about the advantages of owning your suppliers. That means